What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news going into tomorrow's price action. Let's go over it now. At 7:30, we have the Chicago Fed and initial jobless claims. At 8:45, we have PMI. At 9 o'clock, we have a Fed speaker. Also, we have existing home sales. We have some crude news at 9:30 and 10 o'clock. We have the Kansas Fed manufacturing, and we have some more Fed speakers speaking later on in the session. Now, it's not recommended to trade during volatile price action, but if you choose to trade during these times, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And with that said, now let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream, and this was the price action today. Price rotated in a range, it broke this range, traded in another range, and broke this range. Now, technically, this is a two-legged pullback, and you can see once price found support, it soared higher. We spoke about in last night's NA meeting that as Nvidia was going down, puts were getting cheaper and calls were getting more expensive. And if you can't tell by the reaction, we know why. During today's stream, we called that price was touching 715 to be exact. And price got to 723. So that was a great call out during our stream today. But so right now, I want to see if price gets into this area, and I want to see how it reacts. I bet that we can at least get to 70 or 746. But if we don't, I'm going to be looking for a pullback around 620, 617. I believe if price gets back here, bulls can find support for a move higher. And honestly, in my opinion, based on the price action, we may actually get a move down. I know it seems unlikely, and based on the charts, price actually moved back into prior supply that has not been rebalanced. So I wouldn't be surprised if price continues to push up, possibly tap this area, and then we get a move down to balance out all this price action right here. But because of this volatile price action, we need to wait until tomorrow to confirm my bias. Now let's jump into a CL chart. This is a CL chart. And during last night's NA meeting, we called for this level for a possible reversal. And if you took this play and held it, boy, did you get paid. But price can possibly pull back, but I'm actually looking for a continuation in price. I want to see if price can actually push into this area. And if price gets into this area and bulls fail to continue higher, I do expect a deep retracement, possibly testing this area of support. And if the bulls fail to protect this area, we can expect price to continue lower, possibly retesting this level of support right here. But remember, this is just a game plan. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we do not trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tells the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So I've passed all of my Top Step X evaluations, and they're currently waiting to be converted to funded accounts. I'm going to hold off on funding these accounts until Top Step X becomes a more stable platform. Overall, it's a good start, but it does have some problems. The main issue that I don't like is the issues with the limit orders. The bad fills, the slippage, unable to close your position where you want to close your position, and risk management is a big part of trading. Trading itself already comes with challenges, and trading in a simulated environment, I shouldn't have to worry about if my limit order is going to be filled, but that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal, because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.